Let's push day guys. Start up with dips. Make sure na nakayuko kayo konti dito para hindi gaano ma-hit yung tricep. The next incline dumbbell presses. Nag 3 sets lang ako tapos 8 to 10 repetitions lang kasi heavy. Then sunod is cable flies. Sinet ko yung cable sa mid chest kasi mid yung tina-target ko dito, hindi yung upper. Pero actually, na-target rin yung upper ko dito. Pero hindi naman gaano to target. Mas na-target pa rin yung mid chest. Then next is Smith machine, incline press. Make sure na nakatuck in yung elbow para hindi masaktan yung joint dito. Then next workout, shoulder presses, 10 to 12 reps. Make sure na wag nyong ilalak yung elbow dito para iwas injury. Then next